What's the meaning of bank balance? Bank balance. Bank balance.
Bank balance. Bank balance. Bank balance refers to the amount of money available in a person or entity's bank account at any given time. It is the difference between the total amount of money deposited into the account and the total amount of money withdrawn from it, including any fees or charges incurred. Knowing one's bank balance is important for managing personal finances because it determines how much money is available to spend or invest. Additionally, maintaining a healthy bank balance can help individuals qualify for loans, mortgages, and other financial products. In short, bank balance is a key indicator of a person's financial health and is crucial for making informed decisions about money management.